Welcome to our channel. Today we how to register with Google Earth Engine, complete guide step by step clearly. To register with Google Earth Engine, begin by navigating to the Google Earth Engine website. Once on the home page, look for the Sign Up button, typically located at the top right corner of the screen. Click the Sign Up button to initiate the registration process. You will be redirected to a sign-in page, where you must enter your Google account credentials. If you don't have a Google account, click on the Create Account option to set up a new account. After signing in or creating your Google account, you will be prompted to fill out an application form. Provide the necessary information, including your name, organization, and intended use of Google Earth Engine. Be sure to describe your project or research interests clearly, as this information helps Google assess applications. Once you have filled out the information, review your application for any errors or missing details. When satisfied, submit your application by clicking the Submit button. After submission, you will see a confirmation message indicating that your application is being reviewed. It may take several days for Google to process your application. You will receive an email notification once your account has been approved. Once approved, return to the Google Earth Engine website and click the Sign In button. Log in using your Google account credentials again. After logging in, you will have access to the Google Earth Engine platform. Explore the various tools and resources available to help you start your projects. Now you are ready to begin using Google Earth Engine for your geospatial analysis needs. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.